Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I am going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag X today. I got it in the mail yesterday. I haven't peeked in there at all. I do know what I'm getting though, however, it shows you that on the app. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a monthly subscription. There is a Glam Bag Plus, and a Glam Bag X. The Glam Bag Plus is $12 if they haven't raised the price, but it includes a makeup bag and then a few samples. The Glam Bag Plus is like all full-size products. It still includes a makeup bag, and then you get 5 products. The last I checked, that one was like 25 bucks. When it actually hits my statement, I think it's around 27 with tax. And then the Glam Bag X is kind of like BoxyCharm, the quarterly one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's like an addition to. So it's a quarterly one, and usually there's somebody that actually curates the boxes. So the person that curated this month's box is Halsey, and she had a bunch of really good stuff. There were some things that I didn't get that I really wanted, like the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I really wish I would have got that. But you know, it is what it is. And then, like BoxyCharm, you can do add-ons. So this subscription, it hit my account for $59, so I'm thinking it was like $55. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Okay, so I did add on a few things. I guess I'll kind of go over those at the very end. But you get, you know, a little magazine if you're interested in that. And I'm sure there's information. I don't ever really look at these. But yeah, I mean, there's information about the different products that she had in here. Yeah, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and get into the box. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out, this I think is actually Halsey's brand. It is About Face, and it is a liquid highlighter. This retails for $32. I'm not the biggest fan of liquid highlighters. When I have liquid highlighters, ew, the packaging is really pretty though. When I have liquid highlighters, I like to put them in my moisturizers, and then it just makes your skin like glow, obviously. But look at this packaging. It's like a lavender purple. So pretty. I'm definitely going to keep this out. But here's the product here. I'm going to give it like a little shake. Now this is supposed to be more of like a pink highlighter, so very thin, lightweight, definitely a glow. Like, can you imagine that, like just popped in the inner corner, or even just all over your lid? I could see that being like a really pretty eyeshadow shade even, but when it's blended out, this is what you get. So just a nice glow. I don't use liquid highlighters a whole ton, but you know, I will definitely keep this one out on my little table over here because it is just so pretty. So I could see me using it simply because it'll be in my, you know, in my face to use. Let's see what we got next. This, I love this brand, Glow Recipe. All of their stuff smells so good. I have a bunch of stuff from their watermelon collection actually, and this is, I didn't have this. This is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial. This is actually a new product, and that's something with Ipsy. They do put like a bunch of like brand new products in their box. Now I have seen a review on this. Basically it is like a clay mask, but it is not, it gives you all the benefits of the clay as far as the pore tightening and all of that, but not the dryness that comes along with a lot of clay mask, is what I hear anyway. I'm very interested to try it. The packaging is beautiful. I actually have another thing, so you can see it's all like matching packaging. This is another thing that I have from that same line. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So this is like a very hydrating mask. This is a more of like pore tightening type of a deal. But this retails for $40. I've got a little notebook down here with just some notes to keep me on track. Okay, the next thing that came, actually I'll save all my choice items for last. Next thing that came in the box that I am super excited about is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Full Frontal. Is the Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I have tried a sample of this. I did like this mascara. It's not my favorite, but I'm always down to get a mascara, especially a high-end mascara in one of my boxes, because that's not something that like I love to dish out money on, you know, like eyeshadow palettes, foundation, bronzers, that kind of stuff. Like I'll shell money out for that, but mascaras, I feel like you can get good ones at the drugstore. So high-end mascaras are not something that I particularly, you know, spend a lot of my own money on. So it's really nice to get it in the box. I know I'm obviously still spending my money on it, but it's a very deep discount, and you'll be surprised at how deep of a discount. I did a calculation, so I'll announce that at the end. But this retails for $24. Next, I got a little, it's a Tarte clay pot. It's actually the shade is rose gold. It's advertised as an eyeliner, so you can see that. It's advertised as an eyeliner, however you can use it as just a cream eyeshadow as well. And these are really, really nice. I would use it like all over my lid with my finger as just an eyeshadow shade. You have to be careful with products like this though, because they do tend to dry out quickly. So I do, again, like that I got it in this box. It's not something that I particularly would like go out and, you know, buy myself. But this retails for $21. And again, just because the shelf life of those is not extremely long, that's not something that I personally like to go out and buy. But it is really pretty, and Tarte is known for their products being extremely long lasting. So next we have a face oil. Out of everything in the box, this is probably the thing that I'm the least excited about, but this is from Herbivore. This is the Emerald Hemp Seed Deep Moisture Glow Oil. So I took a few notes. It does have hemp seed oil. It also has squalene and turmeric root. So this is the packaging here. Very cute packaging, simple but very pretty, very cute. Glass bottle, and this retails for $48. This is, how many ounces is this? This is 1 ounce, so that's typical. But you know, maybe in the winter, typically I don't really use a whole ton of face oils just because my skin, I get clogged pores really easily, so it's not something that I typically use. But yeah, maybe even on my body, who knows. All right, and oh, this Tarte was one of my choices. I was trying to save those to the end, but that was a choice item that I picked. You usually can choose, like on the 2nd of the month, it becomes available for you to choose a few items. They give you some choices. Some things they just pick out for you. So out of 8 items, I was able to choose 3. Now, the next thing that I got is from, Aether Beauty. It is a eyeshadow palette. This is the Moonlight Crystal palette. Now, I thought this was very, very cool. Look at the little card that came in it. I thought that was really cool. I really love like astrology and things like that. So this kind of thing is like right up my alley. Tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout. Okay. This is what the actual package looks like. It is kind of like a cheaper cardboard package, I feel like. I feel like it's kind of like light and bulky. I know the thing about, you know, Halsey is she likes everything to be, you know, vegan, cruelty-free, recyclable. So this is like a fully recyclable package, and that's why it's like so bulky. There's no mirror, again, to keep it where it is recyclable. But these are the shades here. Now, I have not tried any Aether Beauty eyeshadows, but I have heard that they are just lovely. Now, this Color Story is not my favorite. I mean, it's okay. I know jewel tones are supposed to be, you know, really in this fall and winter, so, you know, maybe that's what they were going for. I'll definitely try it out. I'm sure I could get some very pretty looks with this, but just like in general, this isn't a Color Story that I would gravitate to a whole lot, but, you know, it is what it is. And then the shades are, oh, and I just dug into one of the shadows with this stupid cover. The shades are just on this little slip, so I don't like that either, really. But, you know, that palette retails for $58. Personally, I wouldn't pay $58 for that. Especially because the shade names aren't even on it. Like, they're not on the back either. So, like, you literally have to keep that slip in there to know what shade that you're working with. So yeah, I personally wouldn't pay $58 for that, but yeah, I'm always down for getting an eyeshadow palette. Now, two of the things that I was the most excited for, and these again were items that I chose, are skincare products. So usually if there's skincare stuff in the options, that's usually what I will choose. It's got the highest value 9 times out of 10, and there's always like really, really good skincare. And again, that's something that you need, that you go through quickly, and that I don't really like to spend my money on. But this was the first choice that I got, and it's kind of being washed out, but this is the Dr. Brandt. This is the Time Defying Cream, and this retails for $132. You heard that right. $132. This is 1.7 ounce. Normally, you know, face creams and stuff are like 1 ounce, so you are getting more in here. That is like insane. I would not spend my cash on that. So I'm glad that it came in the box. The next thing is the Origins. This is the Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. This isn't really that expensive. It's $27, but I have the primer version of this, and I really like it, so I wanted to try the eye cream. And it comes, oh, that's weird, it comes like where you squeeze it out. You guys see that? There's like, you just squeeze it right out of this. I don't think that'd be very sanitary, right? You know, like continuously putting this, I don't know. It reminds me of that Maybelline Age Rewind concealer that everybody used to be crazy about. I'm not crazy about the applicator. I think if anything, I might just squeeze it onto my finger and apply it, just to keep it a little bit, again, more sanitary. But yeah, I'm interested in using this. It has coffee beans in it, so the caffeine is what like wakes your eye area up. So that is everything that just, you know, came in the normal box. Like I said, I did some add-ons, but the total value of my box was $382. Again, what actually drafted my account was $59. That's with tax and everything. So I did a calculation. You're saving 85%. So, I mean, to me, the way I look at it, I would go out and buy this mask. I actually have considered buying this mask. I've had it in my cart several times at Sephora, and I just moved it to my Loves. I'm like, no, Alicia, don't do that. Wait until, you know, the Rouge sale. So I would buy this. This is $40, I think it was. Yeah, so for $19, I got everything else. It's how, you know, I look at it in my mind. So it's a crazy good, ooh, okay, my camera started falling. It's a crazy good deal. And then I got 3 add-ons. So the first one is Kate Somerville. This is Exfoliate. I have raved about this on my channel before. I love this exfoliator. It is the best exfoliator that I have ever used. Literally every time I take a shower, I use this. It is a 2-minute facial. This retails for $75. I got all 3. I don't remember the exact prices of what I paid for each, but I got all 3 of my add-ons with tax and, you know, shipping and everything. It drafted my account for like $45 and some change. Like I said, this one product is $75. Anytime, no matter what subscription it is, if this is a choice, if this is a add-on, I always get it. I always get it because it's just that good. I think this will be like the 5th one that I have just in my backups. So I'm not running out of this anytime soon. I've given this away as gifts, and it's just, it is phenomenal. If you haven't tried it, if you get clogged pores or, you know, anything like that, I think that exfoliation is the best anti-ager of all time. So anyway, I love that product, and I was so happy that I could get it at a discount. And then the next thing I got is another brand that I love, and this is an exfoliator. This is the Elemis Skin Buff. This is a deep cleansing exfoliator for all skin types, and this retails for $41 itself. So I want to see what the packaging looks like. Usually their stuff is just really plain. Yeah, so it looks like a bunch of the other Elemis products that I have. So you really got to pay attention. They all kind of like look exactly the same. You got to pay attention to what you're picking up. But this is 1.6 ounces, and yeah, retails for 41 bucks. And then something that I have used before that I love is the Briogeo. This is the Farewell Frizz. This is just like a blow dry heat protectant. It defrizzes your hair. It protects it from the heat. Love this stuff. Retails for $24, which isn't, you know, it's not crazy expensive. It's 4 fluid ounces. You don't need a whole ton. This will last me, you know, a few months, but the total retail value of all of my add-ons was $140. Again, it drafted my account for about $45 and some change. That is a savings of 68%. So I hope that you guys found this video interesting. I really like seeing what people get, and you know, just the value, because these subscription boxes are such an amazing savings. I feel like if you get one product that you really, really love in the box, which I always do, then it makes it so worth it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next video.